Hello everyone. Today in this video I will talk about two most two postmodern therapy approaches that fall under the umbrella of marital family therapy, MFT. Their names are solution focused brief therapy and narrative therapy. The similarities of the two therapies are they both focus on the client or family as the expert. They both emphasize the central focus of mutual respect, deeming a collaborative, caring, therapeutic relationship. And they both empower the client or family in their own creative and constructive narratives. The differences of the two therapies are the specific approaches. Solution focused brief therapy focuses on solutions, what works for the client or family. It gears the client or family different to think different about the problem by asking specific key questions. Whereas narrative therapy emphasizes that the stories of families or individuals believe about themselves influences their subjective sense of reality. That approach is to help reduce the power of the stories that are negative, oppressive, and problem centered. The next question is about the strengths and limitations of both therapies. Solution focused brief therapy strengths are it is a short term therapy. It views the family as a unit and the expert. It deals with problems in a direct and concrete way. Its limitations are because of the focus of the family as a unit, it does not recognize individualism of each family member, and therefore it can cause each family member to have feelings of being lost. Also, due to MFT having numerous techniques, if put in the hands of an inexperienced therapist, it could be superficially used, misused, or abused. The strengths of narrative therapy are it focuses on more narratives and the big picture stories of family members and their lives. It empowers families to engage in meaningful ways that help them to lead constructive lives. It has more of an existential emphasis that includes a respectful use of spiritual and religious resources. And it also is a short term therapy as well. Its limitations is it can be potentially dangerous when imposing clear cut models of healthy families versus dysfunctional families. This method can lack attention to the diversity of families in terms of race, culture, and gender considerations. The ways each theory is compatible or incompatible with Christian concepts. According to Tan 2011, appro- approaches such as solution focused and narrative family therapy have a collaborative therapeutic relationship with the family, affirming each member to have the freedom to choose, engage in growth and therapeutic change. It is somewhat consistent with the biblical perspective, which also affirms one's freedom to choose. Joshua 24 and 15, as well as the image of God in each human person created by God, which is in Genesis 1:26 through 27. At last, both theories' limitations as far as creating measurable outcomes for clients. MFT has contributed a unique systemic perspective on treating the couple or family as a unit. In particularly, solution focused brief therapy and narrative therapy produces mainly in short term problem solving or solution oriented ways to effectively help couples and families. And it is said in the future that will receive much greater attention in the years ahead, and hopefully these therapies can be used much more. Thank you for listening. Good night.